This is where I'm going to put my new riser to get the antenna wire farther off the ground. See where we are. Here's the antenna wire to the roof. And here's what I've done previously with the G5 RV antenna. And you can see where the hang-em-ups have been in place for over a year and a half. This is going to be our end point that we're going to secure the antenna to. Going to hook this to an existing fence post, put a pulley on it, and run the wire through the pulley. Let's go for a ride. We've made it to our location, dragging the pole along with the Cub Cadet, and there's where we're going to attach it to. Starting to raise this pole, which will be an anchor point for the antenna. And again, the antenna is secured to the building with those hang-ups. We've been trying to figure out how to lift this very heavy pole without killing anybody, which means me. I've put some guide pins or screws up on the top of the post, made kind of a pulley system using the post and some rope. I'm going to hook the Cub Cadet to that point, and we'll use the winch to help bring this up. Stay tuned. I've hooked up the control of my Cub Cadet. I actually spliced in a normal plug so I can add an extension cord to basically increase the cord length of my controls for the winch. Okay, we've added chain to help secure it on that from rolling, and I've added another extension cord so I could actually help lift it. And here we go. More to go. Okay, we're getting pretty close. I've secured a strap so I can untie the rope that goes to the Cub Cadet winch. Okay, we've got some fine tuning to do, but it is basically up. Thank you, hang 'em up. And there are hang 'em ups as a support point. Okay, well, we've seen the antennas, so here is what is hooked up to the antenna. Basically, I have a Yaesu multi-band radio, 2,000 watt dummy load, 2,000 watt amplifier, antenna matching unit, power supply for the 2,000 watt amplifier, of which I typically only do 1,000 watts. That is what the hang-em-up is assisting and holding up the antenna that is strung to this radio assembly, and it works very well. And if you want to give me a call, my call letters are Kilo 7 Foxtrot Sierra India. Thank you. Hang 'em up.